Yarn dye is when the manufacturer of the fabric dyes the yarns as they're being knit into the t-shirt jersey fabric. So if you've ever seen a t-shirt where it looks like it's knit with two colors and it's not screen printed and it's not pieced together by sewing, that's a yarn dye. Here's a great example of what you can do with yarn dye. This is a pocket up close. And if you look at the top, there's an indigo fabric, then it goes to a heather gray, then it goes to a charcoal, then it goes to a plain white, and at the bottom it goes to a red and white space dye. So that's what a space dye looks like. Here's another space dye, very colorful and contrasty, and you can see it's got a dark blue, a medium blue, an orange, and a white. And here's a yarn dye shirt with a space dye in the stripes. You can screen print a graphic on top of a yarn dye shirt just like you can any other t-shirt fabric, and it's just another thing to be aware of when you're looking for options for your t-shirt designs.